Hello everybody and welcome to another edition of our CTAC Lighting Lowdown while on lockdown. Today I have for you SPI Lighting and specifically their sphere pendant. Before we dive into the Spheres product, I wanted to quickly remind you that all products are engineered and produced just outside of Milwaukee, Wisconsin. You'll find more information on the website and a letter stating this, but every fixture meets Buy America, Made in America, and the Buy American Act. Because SPI is producing everything in-house, this allows them to be very flexible with modifications and customs. And because of the demand for this, they created the YD or Your Design division that specializes in tailoring luminaires. So it's as easy as sending us a sketch of your lighting concept, and then from there, a design and engineering team will help you explore methods of construction that will fit your budget, as well as develop formal engineering drawings to ensure that they can make exactly what you specify, and then bring your idea to reality at their state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. When specifying SPI lighting, you're going to see that whether you're specifying a decorative exterior product or a decorative architectural product, the entire line is really performance driven, and that holds true for this product. Spheres have made a comeback as of recently, and I believe that the SPI Sphere is first in class when it comes to performance and appearance. We've had this fixture tabletopped on many occasions against others, and when you see it lit, I think it's an easy choice. So how is it that they are able to produce this fixture so much more superior than others? I think it really comes down to the handcrafting and attention to detail they take. The body is made of a matte white acrylic diffuser that is joined together and then finished with an opal matte treatment. It seems pretty simple enough, but making a fixture that started as two look as if it was always one isn't an easy process. SPI spends a lot of time on these spheres perfecting them before they go out the door, and they will be sanded up to 7 times before they pass standards. Even though this fixture is fully diffused and you're getting up to 6,000 lumens, this fixture still produces over 83 lumens per watt. A couple of additional features that help set this apart from their competition is that their light engine is located in the middle of the fixture. This allows for no hot spots or noticeable dark spots. Also, visible fasteners are flush mounted, providing a clean design. These are just a few details that set them apart. This fixture is available in an 18-inch, a 24-inch, and a 30-inch diameter, delivering up to 83 lumens per watt. Standard color temperatures 3000, 35, and 40K. Universal voltage. Integral power supply. 0 to 10 volt dimming controls down to 1%. STEM or aircraft cable mounted, and choose from 40 different standard finish options. So on all sizes across the board, you do have an option for 2 different lumen outputs, ranging from 22 watts up to 72 watts. Thank you all for joining me on this presentation today. If you want to see more live shots of SPI lighting in action, please go to their website and check it out. They have a lot of great install images of projects that they worked on for custom or just standard product installs. So thank you again for joining us, and I hope you learned more about the SPI Lighting Sphere fixture.